It's April here at Dollar Tree and I have all new products to share with you, so let's go. I just found an all new dinnerware line here at Dollar Tree and it's my favorite color, blue. I'm super excited about it. They have bowls, they have two different versions in cups. They also have some trays up here. We've seen these trays before, but they're great for DIYs. I just spotted these noodle boosters. I guess you put a pool noodle in here. I'm seeing DIY, I have to get this. Every year Dollar Tree has out flip-flops, but look what I spotted over here on the other side. These are slides, kind of like the slides that I buy at, well, they really have them everywhere. I've gotten them at Walmart. Now they're definitely thinner, but for $1.25, maybe one you want to pick up. They have 4 different colors. They have black, navy, this beige color, and pink. I just spotted some of the first signs of summer with these adorable little candles. You know, every year they have that summer line out. I think these are definitely going to be part of that line. I think it's called Shore Living, but these are 2 different scented candles. I just spotted the cutest thing over here. Now, when I first looked at this, I wasn't sure what it is, but it's actually a mirror. We're going to get this to DIY with. If you guys see these, pick it up. My Dollar Tree is doing a great job keeping those outdoor planters fully stocked. So if you're needing some for your outdoor plants, pick them up now. This looks new. These are citronella incense sticks. I haven't seen these before at Dollar Tree. The gardening tools are in full stock here, and these you can use for more than just gardening. These tools right here are so great for DIYing. I use pruning shears all the time. There's so many cute gardening gloves this year. Look at all these cute patterns. Look how cute this bandana is. It comes in a 2-pack, but I love the checkered one. There's so many new finds over here in the Crafter's Square. Now, the first one I have been looking for, they've had them on their website. These are craft tools. Let me pull them down and show you. These are just $1.25. I cannot wait to get all these different pliers and try them. I've never had one like these, but I definitely use these all the time. There's a new set of clay crafting tools. I think a really great buy is the crafting kits that they're now selling at Dollar Tree. They have a DIY needle felting kit. They also have several cross-stitch kits. These felt flowers look so fun to make. These are always a popular item, so if you see them, pick them up in store. They have several new fabric options. Look at these adorable Sherpa colors. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is Dollar Tree. I always check the wall canvas prints because I feel like I always find new ones. This was one I haven't seen before. Very cute. You can use these in so many different DIYs. Don't forget to always check the end caps because they hide really cool items back here. Like these hoops, these are so great in DIYs and they're hard to find as well. I spotted some notebooks over here in the stationery section. There's 3 different styles. They're like a faux leather. This one says plan. There's one that says goal, and then this one says stuff. Now these are not lined. These are just blank inside. There's also these adorable velour notebooks in 3 different colors. This space tape right here, I bought this on Amazon for so much more expensive. It's like a really strong adhesive. It's perfect for hanging things on the wall. Definitely gonna pick this up and try it out. It's April giveaway time over on Liz Fenwick Deals. I've added in my favorite items from Amazon, including my Apple AirPods and the Sol de Janeiro. I'm gonna put a link in the description box to my Facebook group, Liz Fenwick Deals, and the Instagram page. All you have to do is go follow me there and enter to win the giveaway. And make sure you watch out for scammers. I will send you an email if you win, and I will never ask you for money. Don't forget to check these end caps whenever you walk by. I just spotted a new product. This is in the automotive section. These are car storage pockets. I cannot tell what this is, but I think it might be a car trash can. I just spotted something really cool over here, you guys. These are arched photo frames. You know arches are very popular right now. It looks like they have a black and a white. Dollar Tree's really stepped up their game on hair clips. They have some adorable options that are just $1.25. Have you guys tried these Scrub Buddy flowers? I have not, but I'd love to know if they work. It looks like Dollar Tree is really extending their Brillo line. The last time we were shopping here, we found that Brillo spray that I used on my dishes. I also used it on my stove and it worked so great. They also have these Brillo reusable wipes that you can pick up and the Brillo steel wool. I know it's getting ready to be summer whenever Dollar Tree puts out the outdoor toys. Let me show you some of the new finds. There's several different name brand kites. They have lots of sand toys, so if you're gonna be taking a beach trip, now's the time to pick them up. There's several pool toy options. This glider looks to be new. I also love that they have these diving gyms and several other pool options. My girls love these outdoor stretch balls. They come in a variety of colors. Let's check out what's new over in the plus section. I'm loving all these new summer items over here in the plus section. Now, this is something I've seen on Amazon that I almost picked up. This is called a swimsuit sack. I think it's kind of a new thing. Maybe it's been around for a while, but it's basically where you can put your wet swimsuit in the big portion of this bag. There's also this clear protective coat right here where you can put your phone in, and there's so many cute colors. The straw hats for $3 look to be pretty good quality, and I also love these cute little beach totes. The plus section also has several outdoor sandal options for $5. These are $5. They're a little bit more substantial than the ones that I showed you earlier that were just $1.25. The solar lanterns in the plus section I think are a great deal. They're $5. They come in a few different varieties, but they look great sitting outside. Our plus section finally got some new organization, starting with these $3 totes. These are absolutely adorable, perfect for the summer. They come in 4 different colors. They have the gray, there's also the white. Love this green color, but my favorite is the blue. Let me know down in the comments which color is your favorite. These containers are interesting. So they have a larger one and a smaller one. It's a gray tote and it comes with a lid. So you can put the lid on and it becomes a stackable container. These are $5. You can pick them up in a light gray or a dark gray. The larger ones are $5, the smaller ones are $3. I'm probably most excited about this stackable rack. I haven't seen anything like this here at Dollar Tree. You can put this underneath your sink, maybe in the kitchen or the bathroom. Love this for just $5. They also have 4 new varieties of shower curtains. They have 2 different options in outdoor pillows. They have this tropical one and a striped one. Which one would you get, the tropical or the stripes? There's several fun Play-Doh packs for just $5. This is a plus item, but if you've ever tried out these chalk rollers, they're a lot of fun. All you have to do is just add water. Let me know down in the comments what products you're going to be picking up the next time you shop at Dollar Tree, and make sure you subscribe because I want to see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.